Hi everyone, let's look at question number 14 from 2020 HSC Standard Maths exam. This question came from annuities, and usually if it comes from part 1 of the annuities topic, if it comes in part 1 of the exam, it's either a straightforward calculation question or it would test your conceptual knowledge. And this question was more around testing your conceptual knowledge of annuities. So let's open this up. This is question number 14. So what you're told is that there is an annuity that consists of 10 payments. Each is $1,000. Each payment is made from on 30th June from 2021 to 2030, and the rate of the interest is 5% per annum. Present value is calculated at 30th June 2020, future value is calculated at 30th June 2030. And then it asks you a conceptual question here. Which of the statement is true? Now for something like this, let's take it out first. So for a question like this, it's important to visualize what is happening here. So if I were to draw this, and let's draw it. Sorry, it's not a straight line, but you get the idea. So if this is 2020, 30th June 2020, then this is 30th June 2021, 2022, and all the way this is 2030, right? They're saying that the payments have been made 1,000 here, 1,000 here, and all the way 1,000 here. So 10 payments here. So in total, if I forget the present value or future value, the total payments that are made are 10,000, right? 10 payments of 1,000 is equal to 10,000. Present value is here, which is what it's saying, 30th June 2020. Future value, what you calculate would be here. How is present value calculated for an annuity? Basically, you discount each of these. So this would be discounted by 5%. For 1 year, this would be discounted 5% with the 5% interest rate for 2 years, and so on, and this one would be discounted for 10 years, right? This is 10 years with 5% for 10 years. What happens when you discount something? Its value reduces. So this 1,000 would become less than 1,000. This 1,000 again is going to become less than 1,000 at this point. So what we can say is that if I have this $10,000, then the present value at this point of all these 10,000 would be less than 10,000, because each of these would be less at this point. So present value would be less than 10,000. Future value is the opposite. It's the value over here. So this 1,000, how much is it worth here? This would be future value of this 1,000 with 5% interest and for 10 years. Similarly, this would be value over here, future value at 5% and for 9 years. Now when you compound the values, obviously it becomes greater than 1,000. Each of these would be greater than 1,000. So the combination of all this, the future value would be here. So that number is going to be greater than 10,000. So future value would be greater than 10,000. So your answer would be option A. Present value is less than 10,000 and future value is greater than 10,000.